Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crochet lovely Tunisian crochet flower pattern. So let's see together. Start with a magic ring. Then insert your hook. Chain 1. Make 14 single crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2. I crocheted 14 single crochets. Pull your tail in to tighten. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, stretch it, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4 and 5 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, then make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 3 and repeat again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 5 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, make a slip stitch in next stitch and repeat again. Please crochet 7 petals. I crochet 7 petals, then make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then make a single crochet in the middle of my first and second petals. Make a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat again. Crochet a single crochet in the middle of the second and third petals. You should have one space behind each petal. At the end of the row, chain 4, make a single crochet below the first chain space. Insert your hook and pull up loop, then take your green yarn and pull through 2 loops, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, insert your hook into second chain and pull up loop, insert your hook into third chain and pull up loop, insert your hook in the space of chains and pull up loop. You will have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, then insert your hook into this loop and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop, insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop, insert your hook into the this last loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains. Insert your hook into first loop, then make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop. 1 2 loops, 3 loops, 4 loops, 5, and the last time. You'll have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains. Insert your hook into the first loop, then make a slip stitch and repeat again. 2 loops, 3 loops, 4 loops, 5, 6 loops, and 7 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 3, then make a slip stitch in first loop and repeat again. 2 loops, 3, 4 loops, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. One, 2, 3, 4 pickets, chain 3, then make a picket. Make a slip stitch in each loops. Make a single crochet in this space. Please crochet 7 leaves like this. Cut your previous yarn, then hide your tail end. Super crochet next leaf, make a single crochet in next space, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains, and repeat again. At the end of the row, make a single crochet, then make a slip stitch in next space. I'm so happy being here. Thank you for joining us today. I appreciate your consideration and your taking the time. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. See you later. Bye.